This is the life when you're fishing and you get bullied by Mother Nature. Can we have our spot back, please? My God. Don't stretch your neck out. Let us get the spot back, please. Excuse me. Can we have the spot back, please? Can we get some fish, please? You got what you need. I see something in your mouth. He ain't gonna give us our spot back. It's time to go. We just got here, pimpin'. Yo, pimpin'. What did you hear what I just said? We just got here. You gonna have to go. Facts. Like, come on. We need to speed this up too. Thank you very much. You was beautiful. You remind me of my dogs. Like, they listen to.